how to use the WebPaint Chrome extension to complete this assignment. So you have to make sure that your WebPaint extension is pinned to your bar up here in the right hand corner, so that way you can open it. And the first step you're going to do is identify the y-intercept. So I like to use yellow for that. And remember, the y-intercept is literally what point does our line cut through the y-axis. And in this case, that is at 4. So I'm going to make a little indication here by drawing a dot and then writing the number 4. Now I need to deal with the slope. So I like to start with the rise, and I'm going to use this point and this point. So I need to figure out how much do I need to rise, or what is the change in y. So I can get from this point, 1, 2, up to the same level as the second point. And during my rise, I went up 2. So I'm going to write 2 next to it. Now I'm going to switch my color to blue just so I can keep the different parts separate. And I'm going to pick up where I left off, but now I need to run. I need to go to the left or to the right along the x-axis until I get to my other point. And notice I moved 3 places to the right, or I ran 3. And this is going to be my constant slope for my entire graph. So I'm going to take a quick picture by clicking the snapshot image here on the right, picture of a camera. And then I'm going to crop it, because I only need to include these 3 points: my y-intercept, my rise, and my run. When I let go, I can have this crop option here that I'm going to select. If I'm okay with the crop, which I am, I'm going to press finish. And now I'm going to right click on my image and select copy image. Now that I've copied this image, I can X out of this tab, which will return me to my slide. I'm going to close the WebPaint extension by clicking this button here, bottom right hand corner of the menu. Notice all my drawings went away. And now I'm going to click here in the space and use Control V to paste my image. I'm going to resize it and put it right here, so that way my teacher can see my work. And now I'm going to fill everything in here at the bottom. So remember, to calculate the slope, you have to divide the rise over run. Rise in this time was 2, notice the colors that match, and run was 3. Now 2 and 3 cannot be simplified anymore, and they're going to be left as this fraction. So I'm going to put 2/3, and I'm going to just decrease the size a little bit there. And now that I have my slope, and I know my y-intercept, I can write out my equation. Y equals 2/3 x plus 4. And then I need to just do a double check. Is my slope positive? And yes, it is, because it's going up and to the right, so I would leave my slope as positive. If my line was going up and to the left, like indicated here, I would just need to change my slope to a negative.